Hello, welcome to Ekidel. We are a trained future civil and structural engineer. Today, I'll be showing you how to stop warning errors when using Stonebridge templates, or if it is your first time to use the Stonebridge tailing template, you might encounter errors like this. Now, today, I'll be showing you how to stop this kind of error, because there are some things you will do while you're using this template, or if it's your first time of using this template, and then you begin to see this kind of error. Once this error appears, that it means that none of these templates will work, because Stonebridge consists of so many templates. As you can see, it has building on pipe foundation, on slab raft, beam raft, white strip foundation, and part foundation, also a steel detailing based on D20 version, and also Staadpro template and Orion CAC template, and then bar bending schedule. Now, once you see this kind of error on your template for the first time, it means that none of these templates will work. So the only way to correct this right now is, now look at this. Okay, so to correct this bobbing error, the first thing to do is just for you to follow this step just now. So I'll close this now and then close this. So for you to stop this kind of error on any of why you're using this template, as you can see, nothing is working because you are missing one particular rule about this template. So right now I'll be showing you how to stop this error from happening on your own template. All right, so right now I'll just go ahead now and then close this up. Okay, and I'll say don't save. So right now, the first thing to do, once you open a folder, let me just open a folder first, and then navigate to your download folder. For the first time, if you have purchased the template, the first place it will be is on your download folder, as you can see it here as a zip file. Now listen to this very, very attentively. Most of you go ahead to use your mobile phone to download these templates. Well, most at times it works, but most at times too, I will not advise you to use a mobile phone to download these templates. Whenever you have made your payment for this template, automatically a download folder will be sent to you to your email address. The email address that you used to purchase for this template, automatically they will send you a receipt for your payment, and on that receipt you will see a download button to get your template. Now most people go ahead to use a phone to download that, which is very, very bad. I always advise you use your laptop to download the template file, which is this one here, this Stonebridge template. Now when you download it, it will be a zip file. Most people still go as far as opening the zip file like this by just double click on it to see what is inside. I don't agree to this. So I always advise that once you get your template, let me just open it again. Once you download your template, it will be on your download folder. Now on the download folder, first thing you do is to look at the names. Knowing that, look at the name of this Stonebridge template. It said Stonebridge template 2024 release 6.1392. So this is how your name should be. The reason why I'm coming to the name issue is because let me say that you are downloading a file and mistakenly there was an issue in your cable, or let me say network, and the download now gets interrupted. You now go again and then go and now read download. You will see that most at times the name will change to something like this. That's because you have multiple files. You can have something like this, something like it will add one to it, or two to it, or three to it. That's because you have multiple files, and most of you will just go ahead and go and pick this one because this was the one that was successfully downloaded. Now Stonebridge template requires that there must be no other name that should be added to the Stonebridge template file name. So when you have kind of issue, once you can just go ahead and then rename it back and leave the name as it is, as Stonebridge template release 2024 and all that 6.13992. So this is how the name should look like. All right, now once you have got that, the next thing to do is to copy this file directly, copy it into document folder. Now, knowing that your system has two document folder, one is OneDrive. As you can see here, OneDrive has a document folder, and then your main PC, this one here, also have a document folder, as you can see it here. Now, if you go and put this Stonebridge template, which you just downloaded, which is this zip file, on this OneDrive document, that is if you're using the Windows version and Windows, it will not work because it is not required it to be on the OneDrive document folder. So you are required to paste this zip file on your document folder in that's the one inside this PC, and not on this OneDrive. So right now I'll just go ahead and click on my PC here, and then they will show me this here document. You can see it here on that PC, and I'll open this document here. Now once I open the document here, you have to paste that Stonebridge template into this place here. I already have it, so let me just go ahead and then remove this one here first. So right now I'll just go ahead now and then do what? Control V, or just right click and then say paste. Now when I paste it now, you can see that I have pasted it just here right now. So you now right click again here and then unzip it. So just use this one that says extract here. So you have to extract the file and then wait for it to wait for the extraction to be completed. Now once you have done the extraction, you will see that if you have the previous version of Stonebridge, let me just check. You will see it here, Stonebridge. I have Stonebridge 24, not this one. You will see it this name here. Yeah, okay, yeah, it's here already. So this is the zip file, and then this is the file which I just extracted now, as you can see it here. So right now, since this file is still found on the document folder, I'll just go ahead right now and then open this place here. Now most people still go as far as when they open this file here, Stonebridge requires you that you are meant to leave everything, every component as it is. Make sure you don't touch any folder or rename any folder or copy anything out of this folder, of this Stonebridge main parent folder here. Make sure you keep it as it is. So I'll open it now. Now when I open it, to get the template, you have to open this place here that says Stonebridge 2024 release 6.13 and all that. So open this place now. Now once you open this place now, you will see this file here, Excel file. Now most people do this mistake by going as, let me just minimize this, or yeah, minimize this, by going as far as copying this Excel file into any other place, like let me say desktop. They can just go now and copy it now and then come here and place it on desktop and then begin to use it. When you do this, as you can see right now, it is now on my desktop. Once you remove this file that is from the Stonebridge folder and just take off that file alone on to any other folder on your system or on your desktop, and then want to open it from there, yes, it will open, but nothing will work because you have removed this template file from the parent folder. Like now you can see that the one I opened was the one that is on this place here, on this desktop here. So you can see that when I open it now and then try to click on anything now, you can see that this is, you begin to have this kind of error. You can see that nothing will work because this file is not on the parent Stonebridge folder, and that parent Stonebridge folder must be on the document folder on your PC. So right now you can see that nothing is working. So this is the only way you can experience kind of error when you do this. Okay, now you have to close this up right now. and just say no and delete this off because it is not meant to be here. So right now, the one now on this document folder, as you can see it here, and which is on the parent folder, by the time you open it now and then open it from the parent folder, as you can see there, it is still on the document, Stonebridge and all that. Then once you open it now from here, now if I click on any of that, now you can see that it will open perfectly. There will be no error. You can see that it is trying to open the template now from AutoCAD. Okay, so you can see that it is open. Now I will try to open all the templates to show you that once you have followed these simple procedures and simple steps, you can then you are good to go and enjoy your Stonebridge template, right? So right now you can see that it has now opened the first one here, which is for template for a pad foundation. You can see that right now. So you can now see that this is a template for a pad foundation. So I'll still go again and minimize again and then open again. Let me open for the pie. You can see that the pie also is working, trying to open. So this is kind of issues you are going to get when you don't follow the steps, but once you follow the right step, then you are good to go. Okay, and also most of the times too, if you, let me say, most people say that if their antivirus can also corrupt this file. No, Stonebridge template doesn't deal with antivirus, so even if your system have antivirus or no antivirus, it will still work. All right. So this is now for Pi foundation template of okay. So right now again, I'll go again right now, and then let me just open for slab for beam raft. Okay, then I'll open for slab raft, white strip, steel template, and Staadpro template, and then I open for Orion template, okay, and then bar bending scale, okay. So right now this is now for the slab raft, which is, as you can see it here, this is for the slab raft. You can see that we have opened 3 templates so far: pad, beam raft, sorry, pad, pie, and then beam raft, okay. So this is for the slab raft, as you can see it here. So right now I will now move on now to go and open for the other ones again. I open for white strip here, foundation, okay. So I know that if you want to know what this Stonebridge is all about, you can check most of my videos on Stonebridge templates, starting from the version 2020 to 2023 and 2024 right now. So I have done many videos on how to use Stonebridge templates, so you can just watch on that. This video is just for the people having errors on their template, okay. So I did this video on how to, so that I can be able to show you how to correct that error. Okay, so this is for wide strip, yeah, this is for wide strip foundation, okay, and then you can also see the wide strip detailing, okay, that's fine. So let me just go again right now and then open for, I've done for pad, this and this, yeah, slab raft, that's fine. So slab raft now, so beginning on slab raft, okay, and then I'll now do for steel. Okay, yeah, steel template looks very heavy. I know that because of the work. Okay, so right now you can now see this is for slab raft. Let me just open and show you. This is for slab raft foundation, as you can see that. This is for slab raft, as you can see that. This is slab raft, yes, and there you can see that this is for extra reinforcement. You know, raft slab raft doesn't carry beam, so you can see the detail here. This is for slab raft foundation, okay. Okay, this is for slab raft. Let me now go again and then open for, okay, steel. Steel takes time because of it's very, very heavy, but let me just hope it will open in less than some few seconds. Okay, so okay, then I'll say that if this is your first time on our channel, I would say you can watch most of our videos on structural design using Protastructure, and we are about starting the design using Mendes software and then using Staadpro software. So if maybe you want us to train you to like begin to train on any software here on AutoCAD, I would say you can just comment that on our, you cannot drop that comment on our on this video comment section, and then we will also see the software you want us to train on. Okay, it's not right. And so this is now for steel detailing template. I can see that, which has this is for a warehouse template, as you can see that, and then you can see that it has so many connections that you can use, as you can see that, okay. But basically this template works for Protastructure perfectly. So once you're done with your steel design on Protastructure and then you paste your steel your steel drawings that came from Protastructure into this template, automatically it will help you to optimize and lessen your workload. Okay. Okay, so right now I'll now go and open for Staadpro here. Yeah, this is for Staadpro. Okay, so let's wait for it to open again. Okay, so I think you have now seen how to resolve that issue of, let me say, because most of you have been telling me on WhatsApp that there's a few persons actually have been saying that you are experiencing that kind of issue. So this is how to resolve it. Okay, so you can now see it again. This is for Staadpro. Now this template works perfectly only for Staadpro. As you can see, it got this is for Stonebridge on Staadpro. So basically this version of Stonebridge contains 3 softwares. One, it carries Protastructure, Orion CSC software, and then it carries Staadpro. Okay, so this is for Staadpro. Basically right now Staadpro is for a pad foundation, but basically this can optimize any drawing from Staadpro, either be it pad, raft, pie, or any one. It will still optimize as long as it is a drawing that is from Staadpro. All that ones, these other ones which I opened here is for Protastructure. These other ones here are for Protastructure, but this still can be used for Protastructure or for Staadpro or for another software. Okay, but for these other ones here, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here is for Protastructure. Okay, now let me now open for Orion CSC. Now for people that are still using Orion software, you have got a template that can help you to optimize your drawings. You can check on my previous videos to see how this Stonebridge helps people that are still using Orion to optimize their drawing. Now the whole purpose of this Stonebridge template is to lessen your workload, okay, on that the time that you have spent on tutorial detailing, it will at least reduce it to at least 50%. Okay, so right now let me just see again. This is for Orion software, yeah, for softwares, for people that are using Orion details. So this is for a template and works perfectly and helps you to optimize. You can watch my video, most of my videos before. Okay, so right, let me now minimize this again. Okay, then this is for bar bending schedule. So you can see that every other thing is working. These ones are to contact are for helps and all that, which is working either. Okay, so this is now for bar bending schedule. As you can see that now the reason for this bar bending schedule, the reason why I like it so much is that it lessens your workload on the bar bending schedule that you're meant to do, because this one right now helps you to calculate your total number of bar automatically, and also your total length automatically, and also it gives you your bar unit weight automatically and also your bar total weight automatically. So what you have to do right now is to put in your bar mark and put in your bar diameter, number of members, number of each, and the length of bar. Automatically it will not do the rest for you, and then when it's done it will also sum it up as also a summary and give you the total number of bar based on weight, as you can see there, and the weight is being measured in kg, as you can see that. So with this kg now, you can choose to convert your kg to tons. You can do that by yourself. That's why you are an engineer. Okay, so right now you can see that we have opened every other template here and they are working. Now let me just give you a glance of how this template works for the people that are just watching this video for the very first time. Now this template, Stonebridge template, helps to optimize your drawing and lessen the number of workload you are meant to do after you are done with your design in Protastructure, or with your design on Staadpro software, or with your design on Orion CSC software. Now basically, and also for steel design, be either by Protastructure software or by Staadpro, this steel template can work for any of that. Okay, now let me just show you a glance on how this works perfectly. Now let me just go and open a file which I have done before. Let me just open a Prota. Let me go to my document folder and locate my Prota file. You can see that I'm using Prota 18, 2021, 2022. I have all that. So let me just open Prota 2018 right now. Okay, let me say I have this is a classroom, which I did. Let me just open here. This is a file from Protastructure. Once you're done with the design on the software, and then take out all your drawings from Protastructure. This is how it saves it as drawing number 1. So right now, if you just open a a drawing that is already done on Protastructure. As you can see, once you open it up, this is how the software gives you your drawing, as you can see that. Okay, so right now the help of Stonebridge comes into play after you are done with your design on Protastructure. So you can see that this is how your drawing looks like with Protastructure drawings, or let me say detail. So you can see how it looks like, of which over the years we have done many drawings over the years, and we have seen that when you have done with your design on Protastructure software and then you have brought out your drawings, you still have much work to do on the drawing, and which can take you number of days and number of times to finish that. But with the help of Stonebridge template, once you're done with your design on Protastructure, the first thing to do is to just copy your file just like this, all your drawing details, copy it out. Now once you copy it out, now copy all your drawings. Okay, now you can see that this drawing was done using a pad foundation. So quickly right now, I'll just minimize now and open the Stonebridge template here, following the steps which I've guided you on how to open, how to purchase, and then do that. Now you can just locate now. This is for this is for the software Protastructure area. It has for Staadpro and for CAC. Now the same step I'm using right now applies for another template here. So once you're done with your design, either on pad foundation or for now we are using working with the one that is on, I think this one here is on, this is for Protastructure detail that's on pad, yes, pad foundation. So right now I'll just copy it again, just copy again right now, copy again, and then just minimize now. Now once I minimize now, I will now locate the template on pad foundation here and open it now. So once I open it now, automatically the Stonebridge template will open the template for pad foundation which you have designed for. Now once it opens it now, then you will now paste your drawing that you copied into the template. Now just look at what will happen. I'm about to paste this template now, this copied file which I copied from here. Let me just show you. Let me just do something like this. Okay, let me just do this right now and keep this here. I want to just show you so that you can see how it will work automatically. Let me just show you right now. Okay, this should be here, and then this is the Stonebridge template which for pad foundation, which is open right now, and this should be here. Okay, now that's fine. So you can now see that we now have the two interface here. This is the drawing that was done on Protastructure after our design, and this is our template for Stonebridge on pad footings or pad foundation. That's still nice. So right now, once you copy this from here, copy this now from your Prota detail. Okay, copy from here right now. Okay, that's fine. Now once you copy from here just now, and then come here right now on your Stonebridge template here, right click here and paste. Go to paste here and paste it. Now always paste it here inside this box here and paste here now. Now once you paste, allow it for some seconds. Automatically the template will just, you can see what happens now. This is the one that came with, this is the one that you pasted on the Stonebridge template. I can see it right now, and this is the one that was here on the Prota detail, as you can see now. Now if you look at the beam here, look at the beam that the Prota gave you here, as you can see it here. Look at the beam here, and then this is the one that the Stonebridge gave you, as you can see. The difference is very, very clear, as you can see the text. Now the reason why this is very preferable, this Stonebridge here, is because everything, all the text, everything here and everything is done to scale standard, and when you print out this drawing from Stonebridge, it's very, very clear. Now I have done many videos on how to also on how to optimize your drawing more using the Stonebridge template. So I would advise you just watch my videos on how to use the Stonebridge template after you have pasted your drawings on the Stonebridge template. Okay, so you can see how on this other side here, you can see that how your column are here, but on this other one here, you can see how it is showing perfectly here. Okay, the same thing happens to other ones. Let me just open to the foundation area. Okay, let me see that one here. Let me see this is that one here. Okay, and then let me see this is that one here. Okay, this is for the column schedule. You can see that one here. Though I have done many videos on how to use the Stonebridge template, and by the end of everything you are going to get, so watch my videos, and by the end of everything you are going to get something like this. So basically, if you're meant to spend up to 5 hours to do your structural drawings or amend them perfectly after you're done with the design on Protastructure, with the help of this Stonebridge template here, this template, sorry, I'll just close that. This template here, you can spend 2.5 hours or 2 hours, depending on how fast you are. So you can begin to watch most of my videos I have done so far and then learn how to do that. Okay, so although from time to time I will still be showing you guys how to use this template. The reason why I've not done more of template because I'm really occupied and busy, but I'll show you more on how to use this template more and more. So thank you so much. Now if you have watched this video and then you really like it, I would say you should subscribe to our channel and also share the video, and also click on the like button, and then also recommend your friends to come to AutoCAD for what we are doing here on AutoCAD. And then if you want this template, I say you should check on the link down below and download the template. Okay, it is not free, but it will help you a lot. So thank you so much, and God bless you. We love you. If you have any questions so far, I would say you should drop the comment down below, and thank you and God bless you. The major reason for this video is to show you how to correct the errors when you first of all download this template and you're having issues and you're seeing that kind of error. So by the help of this video, you are able to correct that kind of issue or that kind of error. So thank you so much, and God bless you. We love you, and then goodbye.